guys, we have day 2, new lake, new me. Gonna go blind fishing, gonna do a little junk fishing, and hopefully have a much better day than yesterday. There's a ton of vegetation on Google Earth, so I'm gonna be throwing that top water first thing in the morning. Have no idea what to expect, but let's go. All right, guys, just got on the water, just got to the spot. So looking at Google Earth, there's one like super obvious point, and it was like 2.5, almost 3 miles from the ramp, and that's where I'm gonna start because it looks pretty obvious. Most obvious looking thing on the map. So that's where we're gonna start, and this lake already looks incredible. There's all kinds of cover. There's hay grass, there's arrowhead grass, there's freaking cypress trees, pads, you name it. I feel right at home. Let's catch them. Okay, that fish just freaking tried to eat my fluke as I was bringing it back real fast, so maybe I do need to do something moving. They're seemingly wanting to chase it. I ought to do a swim jig. Couldn't keep up with that one. Okay, you guys, kind of a rough start to the morning. Already had 2 missed opportunities. Both of them felt pretty good. I usually don't play music during a tournament, but I think I might put a little Zach Bryan on the old Spotify. See if that chills me out just a little bit. There we go, you guys. Oh boy, you guys. Bad start. Definitely not the one I'm after, but we'll take it. 14.5. I'm gonna fish that. I've got to get on the other side. I would not have been able to land a big fish doing that. Alright. There's another one. And just a little tip on flipping, if you're working a mat like this right here, you always want to kind of start on the outside first and kind of work your way in. So starting on the outside, I'm using the 5/16, so that's that big worm. Working my way in. If I can get away with a 1/2 ounce, I will, but today I was using a 3/4, and then I've got that ounce that I haven't done a whole lot of yet because I'm able to get through this stuff. You want to literally go as light as you can and still be able to get through the grass, the matted grass, and the cover. So far 5/16 and that 3/4 ounce is kind of taking care of everything for me. But again, you really want to start on the outsides, kind of work your way in. That way, if there's multiple fish under there, you're not busting them out. Let's try to get a few more bites and hopefully keep them pinned. I'm tired, and I don't know if that's what's going on, but I just don't really feel like I have it today. I just don't. Still having a good time though. That's important. All right, let's go catch some fish. Dang it. Just lost that one. Oh. Got him. Oh my gosh, that's a big one. Don't come on. No. Not my day. That was a big one. That was over 5 pounds. Guess that kind of tells me I need to be fishing this arrowhead grass and flipping in the very middle of it. Can't catch a break today, guys, but that's how it goes sometimes. Let's try to run this pattern, I guess. 2 big bites. I don't know what to do, y'all. I can't freaking hook a fish to save my life. Or this hook's too big. Not this time. Not this time. Nope. That one got away too. Holy cow, this is unreal. Oh boy. 3-aught super heavy duty flipping hook. I don't know if I just don't even know what to say at this point, y'all. So for whatever reason, they really seem to just want that big worm today. I don't, you know, I can't for the life of me, you guys, figure that out. I'm getting bit so much more in that, flipping that big worm and this matted hay grass and that arrowhead grass than I am that creature bait. But I'm just, my hookup ratio is not good. I might have to switch that hook out or something. Got him. Oh no. Is he still on there? Nope. He's not. Dang it. Okay, we're making an adjustment. Man, that's like what? Like 7 or 8 flipping fish we lost? Heavy duty flipping hook. All right. Adjustment made. So this hay grass, they are in that. They are in the middle of that. Okay, definitely figured out a little bit of a pattern. Makes total sense. Super post frontal. The sun is way up in the sky. Later in the day, fish are buried in the grass. Specifically that hay grass and that, I think it's called arrowhead grass, I'm pretty sure. So hopefully we can flip up some fish. You guys, I don't know how much energy I have left in me. I am tired. I didn't bring any food out today. I gotta get better at that. I'm gonna drink a water and try to stay focused here. holy smokes, what is going on? It's like a, I'm gonna go back and watch this film and probably start crying. Oh boy, you guys. Dang, you guys, that was brutal. I think I lost, I don't even know how many fish flipping I lost, but it was bad. I tried to make an adjustment and then only got 2 bites after that, and lost both of those too. I definitely think that that worm hook I was using, or I was using a heavy duty offset EWG, and I just don't think, I think that hook was too big. Using a big worm too, for whatever reason they really like that worm. They wouldn't hit any type of creature bait flipping it. They really wanted that big worm, and for whatever reason I just could not keep them pinned. But that's okay. I didn't have any practice for this tournament, hardly at all, so I'm not too upset with how it went down. We have Harris chain next, so I'm really excited about that. I'll get to practice for that. But I kind of want to stay out and fish, but I'm also should go back and get some rest. I'm exhausted. It's been a long few days, you guys. Anyway, appreciate y'all. Sometimes you just don't catch them. That's the ebbs and flows of tourney fishing. Appreciate you guys, and we'll have some fun stuff coming for y'all really soon.